Hi, I'm Carly Belay. I'm the president of the UNR Mackay Muckers. The Mackay Muckers is the traditional mining team who competes at the intercollegiate mining games every year. The mining games were started in 1972 after the Sunshine Fire. Mackay Days is October 1st at the Sutro Tunnel. It is a fundraiser to help send at least 2 teams to Australia for the Mackay Muckers and to help restore the Sutro Tunnel. Mackay Days will include a chili cook-off, kids activities, and the Mackay Muckers demonstrating a few events from competition. Hope to see you there!